never slow up. No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So guys, suppose this is our sample audio. We can navigate through audio by clicking on keyboard right and left arrow like this. Now for subtitle, click on this button, quick text, give it same length as our audio, insert the text like I love you, center it, give it a style like you want, then the size, let's add some shadow, advanced, scroll down, shadow, change the distance, make it closer, shadow color, black or ash, then press on apply. Suppose our this sentence will stay for 1 second. So after 1 second, split the text layer and put the second sentence. Now go away. So that's how we can change the sentence from one sentence to another. Now select both of them, move them up, go to stock media, library, solid color, background color for the box, give it same length. Now go to effect, search for crop. This one, left click, drag and drop over the yellow clip, move the playhead to the first frame. Now go to right side, effect, crop, crop from top, bottom, left, right. Then make keyframes. Now suppose after here we have the love. Move one frame back by clicking on back arrow, add keyframes, move one frame forward, change the right and left. Suppose love will stay for this long, same add keyframes, move one frame forward, again change right and left. See, it's really that simple. But don't go away. How to change the color of this text? Select both text, copy, duplicate the text, select the first part, change the color, same for the second one, change the color, select both of them, right click, create compound clip, press on OK. Now select the yellow layer, right click, copy effect, then the compound clip, right click, paste effect, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.